have always believed that education should be for the masses. Anyone who wishes to learn should have access to good quality education at an affordable price. Being one of the top private education service providers in Singapore, MindStretcher is conveniently located at more than 20 locations island-wide.
Here at MindStretcher, we do go the extra mile to motivate students and to boost their confidence and self-esteem. Sometimes students do not realize their own potential until someone like a teacher come in and believe in them. And I think we as teachers play a very crucial role in empowering students to believe in themselves and in the educational process, like making mistakes, trying. This will actually help them maximize their potential.
One of the MindStretcher teachers who have helped me immensely is teacher Christine Ong. Although she only knew me after I attended the MindStretcher PSLE oral bootcamp, she was very helpful and went beyond her duty to also help me with my DSA process. She connected me with MindStretcher's Mr. Alvin Craig, who guided me in all of my TSA interviews and was instrumental in helping me decide on my final secondary school choice.
Personally, the MindStretcher Science Bootcamps and all the MindStretcher workshops and webinars were extremely useful. They allowed me to clarify all my doubts, both relating and not relating to the lesson. I even sent extra questions to the MindStretcher Science teachers, mainly Mrs. Tang and Mr. Chiu, and they dutifully replied to every single question I sent them. I will also never forget the encouraging messages and highs from them. Those heartening messages really lightened up my days, and I grew to like science much more.
Our teachers' passion, commitment, and dedication in helping students have empowered and motivated countless MindStretcher students in their educational journeys. Our students' achievements are our greatest satisfaction. Seeing them receiving academic and non-academic awards at our annual MindStretcher Achievement Awards brings us so much joy, especially as an educator. Recognizing and celebrating their little successes is our way of inspiring and empowering them to reach their fullest potential.
For more than 20 years, many students have seen marked improvement in their grades. Over the years, MindStretcher has consistently produced many top students who enter highly sought-after competitive schools in Singapore. This is testament to our best-in-class curriculum and teaching quality at MindStretcher.
At MindStretcher, learning never stops at just the regular weekly classes. To complement and reinforce what they have learned, our students also attend our many value-adding educational seminars and sharing sessions ranging from informational webinars for students and their parents, subject-specific workshops, to intensive revision boot camps. They have indeed benefited greatly from them. MSE Study Buddy is the must-go-to platform for students who have missed a lesson or wish to revise concepts that they have been taught. And the beauty of it is that they can do so at their own pace, anytime, anywhere. MS Communications app allows students, parents and teachers to always be on the same page after every lesson. Knowing our students' academic progress at every stage of their learning is important to us. Our quarterly progress report provides good benchmarking and detailed analysis of our students' strengths and areas of focus and improvement.
As educators with a difference, MindStretcher strives to stretch every young mind and the potential of each student to the fullest.